percentage of a quantity. Pause the video and have a go at example 10. In example 10, we have to find 45% of 2,000. Now you have a couple of ways to do this. I'll just start off with trying to use the same technique as the fraction in example 9. Because 45% means 45 out of 100. So if you're asked to find 45% of 2,000, you're actually asking to work out 45 hundredths of 2,000. So our technique is to get the 2,000 and divide it by 100 to get 100th or 1%, which would be 20. And then we get the 20 and we need 45 hundredths, or we need 45%. So we times through by 45. 45 times 2 is 90. So 45 times 20 would be 900. Now you may have some other techniques which you've learnt and they are useful. I wouldn't discard them. Just depends on the type of question. That technique is really useful when the percentage is maybe a bit more awkward, or you just need to pick and choose what you think is appropriate. Maybe quicker when you've got a calculator as well, instead of breaking it up like I'm going to do here. Now we could be here all day, the number of ways you could approach this, but 45% is close to 50%. 50% you can find by halving the number, so 50% would be 1,000. Now 50% is closely linked to 5%. 5% is 10 times smaller than that, so that would be 100. And 45% is going to be 50% take away a 5%. So if we get the 1,000 and take away the 100, we will get 900, and that is 45%. Okay? You may have done 10% is 100, 10% is 200, so 40% would be 4 times that, 800, and then 5% is 100, and add the 100 onto the 800 to get 900. Lots of ways. As long as you know one method, you'll be okay.